Today, a huge win for President Trump. The Supreme Court ruling in favor of his travel ban, which restricts travelers from a handful of Muslim countries. The court ruled Trump did not overstep his constitutional bounds. Here in North Texas, there were some who hoped that ruling would go the other way to reopen the doors to their families. Allie Spilliards joins us live tonight from DFW Airport with a closer look at that. Allie?
Chris, while the Supreme Court did decide today that President Trump was well within his right to ban travel to those 7 predominantly Muslim countries, there are some North Texans who worry that it means they are never going to see their families arrive here for a visit again. For the 40 years she's lived in the United States, DFW Airport has provided Miriam Azari a portal to her Iranian-born siblings. But Tuesday's Supreme Court decision cemented a new reality, that travel through here remains impossible for her sister and brother.
My question is why we can't. You know, our family just was in this country before many times. What's wrong right now? What did they do wrong?
Which is why a 5-4 vote upholding the president's decision to limit entry to those from countries he feels puts our nation at risk feels personal.
I feel her frustration because these family members have come here earlier on visitor visas, so they've been able to successfully come into the country, leave the country.
In Pallavi, Ahluwalia's law office, a handful of clients have been facing similar challenges.
They're still pursuing their dreams, though. They're still sponsoring their parents.
But with only 400 or so waivers granted since December, the future's left uncertain for families like Azari's, who's left looking back on what drew her here 40 years ago.
They shouldn't forget, this is a country everybody comes here for their right, for freedom.
Now, while the Supreme Court's decision has been made at this point, an appellate attorney told me today it is possible that we'll see some challenges when it comes to those waivers and whether or not they're actually being awarded. If that happens, however, he said it is very likely those will get bumped down to lower courts. Live at DFW tonight, Allie Spilliards, NBC5.
Allie, thank you.